Hi everybody, welcome to Easy Street. Some of you may know that I like to do stained glass, but have you ever wondered where it really started? Well, this is my house. Somebody once told me that a house is older a lot longer than it's new. So I have a couple of projects that are going on right now, one of which is repainting it. 2 out of 4 sides are done, but the next project is to finish my windows. I went to a class at one point and they said that if everybody were to replace their windows, they would all go into the landfill and not be very recycle friendly. So this project is replacing all of the caulk and the glass in a window that goes on the other side of the house. So the first paint I have is one that's not done. I haven't even touched this one yet. You can see all the caulk is still in it and my tools, because the first thing I have to do is take the caulk out. So what I start doing is I put my gloves on because it's glass and I start slowly chipping away all of the old caulk, and you can kind of see where it starts popping out little bits at a time. And of course I wear safety glasses when I do this because it comes flying out. I have to get all of the paint and stuff out, and you can kind of see how it sort of chips away little bit by little bit by little bit. And just because it takes so long, I'm not going to bore you with how long this really takes. Once I get that all done, then I get to the next side, and in between there are these little points that show you, they're actually I'll show them to you, but these are the points that hold the glass in. So I come over with my tools and I slowly rock it back and forth, and I pull the glass points out without breaking the window, hopefully, although sometimes that does happen. Push them out, pick them up, and like everything else, I throw it into my bucket of garbage. Now these are really huge for this particular window. Some of them are a lot bigger, or a lot smaller rather, and harder to get out. But once those are all out, and there's usually 2 or 3 to a side, then I come over here and very carefully try to work the glass out again without breaking it. Got to make sure I got all the parts out. Sometimes there's extra caulk left. There we go. And because my house is old and it's not square, sometimes this doesn't work as nicely as you want it to. I'm going to put you down for a second and we'll see if I can get that out without breaking it. There we go. One piece of glass out. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label it so I know which one it goes back into.